Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, look at relational or comparison operators. So Python has comparison operators which operate more or less the same way that they operate in maths. And are used to compare two values. They can be used with numerics and even other Python data types, which we'll look into in later videos. So you have the equal operator, which compares two values if they are equal, and if the two values are equal, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And then we have the not equal operator, the less than operator, the less than or equal to operator, the greater than operator, and the greater than or equal to operator. For example, let's have a variable a, let's have it as 1, b, let's have it as 2, and then let's have c as 4. Let's use the comparison operator. So let's have another variable d, let's point it to 1. So we can use the equal operator to check if a is equal to d. So we can say a is equal to d. Because a is 1 and d is 1, that one will return true. But if we say a is equal to b, that will return false, because b is equal to 2 while a is equal to 1. And you can use the other operators to play around with these variables and see how they work out. So that's it for this video. We'll pick it from here. Thanks for watching.